Hey everybody, it's Chris here with the droning company at CUAV 2023, stopping by to see our friends at Multicopter Warehouse. Ryan, really nice to see you again, man. This is fantastic.
Yeah.
So, public safety, that's your forte, that's what you do. Tell us a little bit about some of the solutions you've got here today that might help out the public safety and response community.
Absolutely, yeah. So we are a dealer for DJI, Autel, and Inspired Flight, and so we have solutions within each of those manufacturers that we offer to our public safety sector. The most popular solutions are going to be the thermal cameras. So on the DJI side with the M350 and the H20T series seems to be the most popular setup. That one is really nice because you can customize it with different lights, speakers, additional solutions that you're able to retrofit with it. So one step down, we have the M30T, which is probably my favorite platform, being the quick deploying, integrated camera, being able to add the speaker spotlight, the weather rating on it. I'm a little biased, and it is my favorite system. The M3T is going to be another really popular one with the DJI side. And then with the Autel, we do see the new 4T Max, which is super impressive. Great flight time, great payload capabilities, as well as the additional mission planning features that they have with it. The Inspired Flight platform, we recently brought on to have an American-made solution for our public safety customers that are limited in what they can buy. So that's been kind of a breath of fresh air to be able to offer them solutions when they are limited with their purchasing.
Yeah.
One thing that I will mention is we started a campaign called Drones for Safety. You can find us on social media at Drones for Safety, and we try and highlight how the drones are being used, why you should support them being used in your communities, and just kind of where the industry is going. So definitely check us out on there, and for any of our public safety people out there that want to share their success stories, send them along, and we'd love to share them to our audience.
Yeah, absolutely. Now, I've explored Multicopter Warehouse's website. You guys have a lot of cool offerings. You mentioned some of the retailers some of the manufacturers that you offer there. You told us about your favorite. What's one of the most popular platforms that you're seeing in terms of the balance between affordability as well as performance?
Absolutely. So, we sell consumer, professional, and enterprise. So we definitely get a lot of interest in our consumer drones, the fun ones, the Avatas that you throw the goggles on and be able to fly around. The Mavic 3 Pro, phenomenal camera systems for photography, videography. But then on the enterprise side, the M350 and the M30T seem to be our heaviest hitters.
Okay.
With the M350 being able to be used for a multiple of reasons, different industry uses, LiDAR, photogrammetry, public safety inspection, then it really opens up, especially with the guys doing drone service providing that are wanting to do more than just one tasks. Having a system that you're able to retrofit with different solutions makes it a lot easier to get that job done.
Absolutely. Now, Multicopter Warehouse is constantly looking for new ways to innovate and help people get in touch with the UAV platforms that they need. What are some of the new things you got coming down the pipeline that you can share with us?
There's always new stuff coming. We like to consider ourselves a one-stop shop since we're a repair center, enterprise support team. So we're always trying to listen to our customers as well as different vendors that are offering solutions that we can then incorporate full packages with. So, for instance, we've brought on the Vidoc system from Pix4D that really complements the reconstruction, crime scene reconstruction, crash scene reconstruction, or just in survey in general, being able to fill in the gaps, but putting together those full packages where you're going to have all the tools you need, and all you need to do is come to us to get those tools.
Okay, excellent. Now, people want to learn more about Multicopter Warehouse, some of the initiatives you've got set in place, as well as the products you offer. Where can they go to find out more information?
Shop.multicopterwarehouse.com is our website. You can also find us on social media at multicopterwarehouse.com. And then, like I mentioned, we do have our drones for safety. We also have a drones for inspection, drones for survey, drones for mapping. That's all going to be at drones for mapping, drones for survey, drones for public safety on social media.
Excellent. Hey, it was so nice seeing you again.
Yeah,
absolutely. Thank you for your time.
Yeah,
you heard
so
it here. Make sure you check them out, Multicopter Warehouse.